All right, still trying to cold start this 6v92. Been at it for about 3 minutes. This is the next short because YouTube only gave me 3 minutes. It's been sitting a little bit. Let's see. Oh, come on, girl. It wants to go. It wants to go. Ah. Usually it starts better. Oh, it's so close. It is so close. This thing wants to go. Wants to go. All right. This time, I think it's it. Ah. We got that gear reduction starter in there, so it's not stressing the starter too much. At least I don't think so. All right, here we go. It's got to be it. This has got to be it. That's a little different sound. I haven't heard that before. All right, come on. All right. Actually, I started this a couple of days ago or earlier last week, and it wasn't this bad. It was a little bit warmer, I think. It's pretty much almost running there. Just going to let this soak a little bit more. Geez, we're going to come up on 6 minutes here. Come on. There we go. We're actually running on half the engine. Okay, we're not out of the woods yet. Now let's give it another try. Come on.